Every time a document goes out, I need to make sure it's accompanied by a proof of service. No exceptions. The only thing is that because I'm a party to this case against this rat, the law says that I can't execute this document myself. So what I'll do is I'll fill everything out, then have my friend Mary sign and mail the document herself. Anything I send to this rat's lawyer gets this form. Anything I send to the court gets this form. I can't stress this enough. When I'm done with this proof of service, I'll always keep at least one copy for myself. I'll attach a copy of the document to any form I'm sending to the rat's attorney. If something is being filed with the court, I'll include a copy of this document as well. So I'll almost always have 3 copies of this document. Remember, I cannot send this document because I'm a party to this case. This is something any other adult who's over the age of 18 can send. First, I need to make sure I have the right form. POS 030. This is for mailing a document. Case information. We've been through this a few times, so I won't spend a lot of time here. I enter my name, address, phone number, in pro per, the courthouse address, plaintiff's name, my name, the case numbers to the right. Address. This is where I enter my friend Mary's address. Date and location and document. Here I enter the date the document is being mailed. So if Mary is sending the document out today, I enter today's date. I also enter the city she's sending the document from. I need to briefly describe the document Mary is mailing. Here I have an answer to a complaint, but this could be anything. It can be a bill of particulars, it could be discovery requests, anything. Mailing. If Mary is dropping the document off at the post office, I'll check A. If she's putting the document with her outgoing mail, I'll check B. Recipient. This just tells us who Mary is sending the documents to. Here she's sending the document to the rat's attorney. Date, name, and signature. Here Mary dates, prints, and signs the document.